So, short video. Since some of you started to trade, I must record a video how to use files and this new version of the EA. First of all, make template like this. Make here everything is empty, like none, and save it as template like this. Do it none, only background keep black, make everything none like this. And we don't need this period separator also, so do it like this and save it as template, like empty, something like this. So before attaching EA you have to do this template. And now there is this version. Here you must enter your correct email address, because your account number connected in database to email address. Only in this case it will work correct when it's verify license at server. So when you attach robot, make sure auto trading button is turned off. So turn off the auto trading and attach robot. So you have to verify this is your equity start is correct, and you have to check these files. Files is program files, MT5, MQL files. You have to check, first of all, you have to check target. When you delete it, it must create again. This target must be, target file is the same number as your account number. Inside you will see current balance, it's 10,000 as my demo account, like this. And inside file we have equity target is about 10% of the plus, it must be $1,000. So you can close everything manually using the script. The script already in folder when you downloaded EA. You can check the script or in trading tools. I don't remember where is it. I think it's in robot. It's posted at forum. You can check where is the script. You can find it. Sometimes I'm not waiting until this percent. I close 1%, maybe 2%, maybe 5%. It depends from market. And today I even opened it about 70 levels of the grid, and my margin level was about 1,000. And today was a really hard market, but I closed it about 15% plus, almost 20%, but not 25 as I posted at my screenshot today in Telegram. So you have to feel it and control it yourself as you wish, which target you want to close it. And this I have to say about new the old parameter that works new for new strategies. No new trade will work in previously when we trade at one pair with usual pip step in previous versions and previous strategies. You remember that this parameter worked like it will work till end and close a target equity and target balance, and only after this it will not start new serials at this pair. But right now we're using, in new version we're using multi-pip step, multi-power. I mean, where is this multi-power? This 30, 31 and 32 strategy in clear vision that we posted in this octagram EA new version. We use type clear vision with multi-power. They work together with multi-power only. They work 30, 31 and 32. I posted this at forum. You can read this. And right now this parameter if you place here true, after you close all orders, after robot will close all orders using this percentage equity clause, he will not automatically start levels of the grid. The point that these strategies in automatic trading, this robot only open start orders. All next orders, you press button. For now it will work like that. It's not total automatic. So all next levels you have to open manually. When you see that average pip step go, for example, -5, you can open first level -3 maybe, -5, -10, and you can press this button, so you will see it will open additional 16 orders. So regarding files, the first, this is, we told you, this is a target of current balance, remember, and it calculate from this balance the targets calculate. It's really clear. Next folder is a signal. These files create when it have no orders. If there is no files and there is no orders, will create this two files. When it's created, let's take a look. 22, as you can see, when we attached EA 9022. If I delete these files and we have no orders, I will create them again, but it will create using current market. For example, GPP seed, it changed to each other, and previously it was like different, like we just created. That's the point. So before open orders, make sure you deleted these files. You delete these files. And EA created them again. So you pick up the current market and you press auto trading button. I have to do it like this. Hello trading. And now we have started to open orders. 16 orders, as you can see. This is the start orders. The restart orders, okay? Second file is form the pairs from these indexes. 31 strategies tell us that this one in sell, this one in buy, this one in sell, this one in buy. So it means sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. This is how EA works. At the next level of the grid, will use this file. This file also create in the same time as index file. They have the same time, and it's based on this file. So pairs file based on index file. So that means that our next level of the grid will be based at start orders direction. If I press again multi-level,
new multi-grid level opened.
It tells us new multi-grid level open, but if we sort by pairs, we see that it's duplicate the same direction. Here we can see multi-grid level 1, multi-grid level 0, multi-grid level 1. So it's the next. If I press again,
new multi-grid level
we will see that at one pair we have number 2. So total 3 levels we have. I not call 0 level because how many times we press that button? Like 2 times. It's a 2 manual grid levels, but the first will be 0. Okay, 0 level of the grid. Multi-grid. It's not one pair grid. In this situation, we lock the market and we doing like a Prisma, like I showed you in videos. So this is how it works. So remember what to do. If you wanna change again, for example, if you wanna close some minus or if you wanna close some plus, you turn off EA, or you can just delete EA from chart, no problem. And you can close all. You can close all like this fast, or using script maybe. When you delete it here from chart, you can use a script. This also work fast, like bulk operation, close all. It's not a problem. But what you have to do again, you if you close it minus, do not delete target file. You have to recover it like you want to recover it, or you can delete it, no problem. You just go files, I mean these files, MT5 files, and you delete signals. You delete signals before open position. Okay, it's created using current market, current index. And if you want to change, if you want to make equity start same as your current balance, same you have to do when you deposit funds. When you have open orders and you deposit funds, you turn off EA. Auto trading button, you turn off. Better delete EA from chart at all. You just modify when you're doing deposit. When robot not work, you can delete this file, and EA will create it again like this. EA create it again, and it's equal to current balance. That's simple. So when you need to deposit funds, you're doing the same. So now we have current signal and we have current balance correct in targets. So we are created two files. It's reading two files to create a zero level sell and buy orders. As we can see, this is what you are doing. When you move this, it will not find correct, but when you move it down, it will find correct. This fixed its work correct now. So you can watch the market, how it change. So this is simple instruction how to use the files. In your Windows you can do it, open data folder, and you will see something like MT5 like this. You will see, and you will find files. It will be here. This is for balance targets, and this is for it was a start balance, but this one is the signals, indexes and signals. The first line is a sell, second line always buy, like they go to each other. We lock them to each other. Upper is a sell line. This is a sell pairs. We can check where is NZD-UP. As you can see, NZD-UP in sell. And USD Chief in buy, USD cut in buy. There is USD Chief, USD cut. That were correct. So have a good profit, guys. If you have questions, go at forum and post your questions. We can discuss and we can modify. And do not open a lot of orders. Like you have to understand that fill it at demo, fill it at low risk cent account. And if you see that -2, -3, -4, maybe you can start to open next level of the grid. Do not open every one pip next levels. Like you can open, like you can select any order, you press space and it's open in next window. You can see how market go from open, and does it make sense to open at all pairs? Maybe you have to wait in 1 hour all orders will go in plus, like not need. I saw a situation when I opened it only 2 or 3 levels of the grid. I saw a minus. I told, oh god, let it, I wanna sleep. I go sleep, I let it go all night, we'll see what happens. I woke up and everything in plus, like market changed to all directions at next day, easy. no need to trade each 5 average pip step, each 5 minus point. Like, no need to trade here all time, not need to sit with this tool all day. That's the beauty of the system. Like, you can open 3 levels, like you can use auto pip step, but you can use a percent of the drop down. Like, if you see 2% of the, you can average each 3% or each 2% each level. Like, not need to use auto pip step. Auto pip step only show you how market moves from your opening, average opening. By the way, this pips calculate only from 0 levels, only from first 0 levels, from first automatic orders that you are placed from text files that you updated after close all. By the way, when robot will reach equity target, it will delete files automatically, and if you will not press, if here will be fails, no new trade, yeah, again open automatic orders, but using current market at the moment when you will be opened this orders, and after it's closed equity target. That's also really important, so you don't have to delete files. If you want to continue trade automatically to see situation after you reach it equity target and you want to trade again, yeah, I will do it automatically. It will delete files, it will delete the signal files automatically and create them again when there will be no orders, and will open again start orders only if no new trade in fails, and only after it's closed target equity here. If I feel that I want to trade today again, so I do it like I let the robot trade again, and I average it, I see how it goes. I not use no new trade in true, I use no new trade in fails, and automatically reopen current market at the time, and I continue average it using button. So that's but when I see that today I reach it like 2 or 5, maybe even already 10%, it's enough for me. Like I what I do, like I do it through, and I place here little target or very close to current profit, so it will close very fast, and I stop trade, and also stop trade after it reached some little target. So I hope you understand what I mean, and I don't want to repeat it again, so you understand how to do it. So the most important, you have to know that when you open orders, it read files. If you not reach a target equity and close it something, or you have old files from old EA or from other account, so make sure you deleted signal files before using EA and open new serial, auto serial of 0 levels. Can do it only when it's when you never used this EA in your computer, and only if it's reached target equity, will also delete these files. I hope you understand it.